Welcome back to your morning market update for Thursday, June 11th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street today is mixed. Indices are pushing higher, but several big tech names are dragging. Let's jump right into the numbers. The S&P 500 is up a modest 0.11%, sitting at 726.26. The Nasdaq is leading the charge today, climbing 0.8% to 699.22. And the Dow Jones is up 0.5%, trading at 502.83. So broad indices are green, but the story underneath is more complicated. Let's check in on the Magnificent Seven, because that's where the drama is. Microsoft is today's biggest mover, and not in a good way. MSFT is down 3%. Trading at 385.39. That's a notable slide. Alphabet is also under pressure, dropping 2.5% to 347.41. Meta rounds out the top three losers, falling nearly 2% to 559.64. Amazon is down a smaller 0.87% at 235.93. The lone bright spot is Tesla, climbing 0.84% to 384.80. So 4 out of 5 top movers in the Mag 7 are red today. That's a clear drag on the broader tech picture. Now let's shift to commodities. Gold is essentially flat, dipping 0.15% to 374.03. Silver is barely green, up 0.12% at 57.73. Oil is the standout here. WTI crude is up 0.4%, trading at $134.85 per barrel. Energy markets are clearly watching global supply headlines closely. Over in crypto, Bitcoin is holding steady with a 0.4% gain. BTC is trading at $62,403. Ethereum is dipping slightly, down 0.45% to 1,635. A quiet session for digital assets overall. On the Forex side, we don't have fresh data on the major pairs this morning. We'll update those numbers as they come in. Now let's hit the headlines making waves today. First, oil and inflation are front and center. Comments about embracing inflation tied to Iranian oil dynamics are stirring conversation across markets. That could be fueling some of today's crude oil strength. Second, commercial real estate is heating up. A new report from JLL shows record lending competition in the CRE space during April. That signals growing confidence in property markets. And third, Microsoft is restricting employee access to Claude Fable over data retention concerns. This AI governance story could be contributing to today's sell-off in MSFT shares. It highlights the growing tension between AI adoption and enterprise data security. So to wrap it up, indices are green but mega-cap tech is flashing caution signals. Oil is climbing, crypto is calm, and AI governance is becoming a real market-moving theme. Keep an eye on how Microsoft responds to the AI data concerns in the coming days. Watch for any follow-through selling in big tech heading into tomorrow's session. And stay tuned for updated Forex data later today. That's your morning market update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.